Hi, this is Emily from Tried and Tested Kitchen. Today we'll be making summer rolls. So we have 2 seafood ones and then 1 veg summer roll, and then we're going to make a peanut sauce as well. So the first one is the crab summer roll, and this is from Nadiya's British Food Adventure. And we're going to be using up the crab that we used from another recipe. I forgot which one now.
Was it the tarts?
Oh yeah, it was a tart. So we had leftover crab and we just put it in the freezer, and we wanted to use up the crab, so we thought that this would be a good recipe. The next one is crunchy summer rolls, and this is from Jamie's veg book. And yeah, this one has vermicelli rice noodles in it, which is really interesting. The third one is shrimp summer rolls with sesame soy dipping sauce. And this one again was, we had leftover shrimp from the tart recipe, so we wanted to use that up. And then next we are making dipping sauces. So this one actually has its own summer roll recipe, but we're ignoring the roll recipes and we're just doing the dipping sauce. And we're going to be doing the peanut sauce. Oh, we're going to do the sweet chili one.
Yeah, and right? The sweet chili.
Yeah, we're going to be doing the sweet chili sauce and the peanut sauce.
I've chopped all my veg for the crab summer rolls. Carrot, red onion, munch 2, red pepper. Got the crab meat in a bowl, gonna shove some lemon in, and then I don't really know what happens yet.
So we're gonna show you
some magic.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try not to burn myself on the boiling water. I don't know, how do you do that? How do you get it out? I don't want it to all stick together. I mean, the trick is to probably have a bowl that actually fits the whole thing in, but
we're so impressed with this.
It's magic. Magic. Ooh. This strange thing here is the rice paper wrapper, which, oh my god, it's stuck to the chopping board. That's something to bear in mind. Filled it with coriander, red onion, munch 2, carrot, red pepper and crab, and now I'm going to attempt to roll it up.
How's it going, Mary?
This is really difficult to roll. It's like stuck to the...
Is it stuck to the chopping board?
Yeah. I'm trying not to break it, but...
I'm making the Jamie Oliver crunchy summer rolls, and I've got my veg here, so carrot, radish, and apple as well. And then here's my vermicelli. That's
attempt
okay.
number 1.
Yeah,
it's going to be edible, but...
It might be like sushi again.
Oh my god, no, this is going to be better than sushi.
And I've got my mint and chili, and now I'm going to attempt
Sorry. Okay, the trick, less is more. I put way less in this one, and it's actually sort of like rolled up quite well.
Yeah, so now I'm going to try to do that. So I'm attempting
it's like a spider's
to roll
web.
them now.
Is it stuck? Yours already looks so much better than mine.
I think maybe because you used wood. I don't know.
And also mine said to like fold the edges in.
Ooh.
And the top and side, and then roll it up. Oh my god, this is such a better technique of just rolling it up. What professional.
Yeah, I don't even know how I knew.
What a pro.
I don't even know like how I did this so well. I mean, it is coming off.
But still, it looks better than my attempts. Congratulations.
Well, I learned from you because I
from my mistakes.
I didn't want to put too much in. Oh my gosh!
I'm really excited. Oh!
This is gonna make so many rolls. Here I've got the peanut sauce. We have decided to make the peanut sauce in the Jamie book instead. We didn't realize that it had a peanut sauce, so we're not gonna be making the one from the website. But we are gonna still make the sweet chili sauce.
The shrimp rolls are being assembled. We've got shrimp, cabbage, mint, peanut, chili, and vermicelli noodles. So it's quite nice to have quite different fillings in each one. That mint smells amazing.
Yeah. Mary made this wonderful roll that looks perfect. I've got the sweet chili sauce. It doesn't look like sweet chili as I know it, but it does look like the recipe picture, and I followed the instructions. So we'll see how that tastes later on. Our final feast. I don't know if you can call this a feast. I don't know. I don't know if you can call. I don't know if you can call this a feast, because it's basically just wrapped salad. But here we've got the prawn summer roll, the crab roll with, I don't know what dipping sauce this is.
Just a like chili, limey kind of thing.
And then the Jamie Oliver veg summer roll. I tried to cut it and it kind of came out. Peanut sauce, and this is so-called sweet chili.
So, what do you want to try first?
Okay, what do you think would be your favourite, Mary?
I feel like in terms of the sauces, the peanut sauce is going to be really good.
Really?
Yeah.
For sauces, either, I don't know, this chili one or the sweet chili.
I feel like the crab might be my least favourite, because even though I love crab, it just looks like it's got so many crunchy vegetables in there without the softness of the vermicelli and the other two. What about you?
Well, I love seafood, so the seafood ones, although I really like vermicelli too.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I do see what you mean with the crunchy veg. This one's got loads of peanuts in it.
Yeah, I feel like that would be really nice.
Oh, really? I was thinking
really
that would be
nice.
like, I don't know.
I'm a bit scared about the mint. Like, I love mint.
Yeah.
It smells amazing, but I feel like it might be quite overpowering.
Which one should we try?
Where should we start? I don't know. You choose.
The Jamie Oliver one.
Okay.
Just because it's cut. Okay, let's go to the peanut sauce.
It's quite easy to hold.
I like
I'm not sure how I feel. Like, I don't dislike it. Why is this chili?
Yeah.
Okay, got a bit of spice. I like the coriander in it.
I didn't think I was gonna like the peanut sauce with it, but I actually quite like that. Pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, I really like the peanut sauce. The vermicelli in it is really nice. My second bite had a bit more mint in it. And while I don't mind the mint, I feel like maybe it would be nicer with a bit less. I feel like there's just so many flavours that don't necessarily fit perfectly together. Like the chili, peanut, chili, coriander, mint.
Every bite had a different flavour. Like the first bite I had quite a lot of mint, and then the second one had quite a lot of chili. So I feel like with every bite you get something different, which I really like, and it feels really light.
I love the sauce.
Yeah, I thought the sauce would be really heavy, but it goes really well.
What else is in it apart from peanut butter?
Soy sauce and some water. That's it.
Oh, so it's basically peanut butter?
Yeah, like smooth peanut butter.
Okay.
What do you want to try next?
Can we go crab?
Okay, it's because you don't like it.
Because I want to save that till last. Thanks. I haven't tasted the sauce.
I really like the sauce.
I like the crab.
Mmm.
Crab tastes really, we can't take any credit for that because it's just crab out the top, but...
I like the onions with it. This is, like, I like this better than the Jamie Oliver one.
I feel like if this had vermicelli in it, I'd be going wild.
Is it because of the texture?
What, like why I like the vermicelli?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. It's a bit of, like, extra softness. I like the mix of veg in this one, though. I like
love
orange
it.
too.
What's in the sauce?
Ginger, chili, lime, and fish sauce.
It just feels so fresh.
Yeah, it does. It definitely feels fresher than... Well, I like the Jamie one, but... Yeah, this is good. I just think when it said to like fold the sides in and then roll it up, don't bother doing that. Well, I don't know, because I did that with those ones and it worked. I don't really know why
Maybe
this one
it's
didn't
just
roll
your
as well.
first time.
True. Practice makes perfect.
Mmm.
I really like the rice paper. I like how like sticky and cold and like, I don't know. I like the weird texture. But again, I do think it depends like what bite you have. You can get different bits of everything on each bite, so it can taste really different.
Okay, last one is the prawn one. I'm excited for this one.
Me too, I'm scared. I don't want it to disappoint. So the dipping sauce for this one doesn't actually go with this recipe.
Did this have a dipping sauce?
It had a dipping sauce, but we didn't make it. So
what was it again?
I think it's similar. I don't know. It had mirin in it
Oh.
and
Smells really strong of rice vinegar.
there was a lot in there.
Yeah. Okay. I'll wait for you because I know how anxious you are.
Here we go. The mint. I'm not feeling the mint. And where did you get a big piece of chilli?
Oh my god. I did.
You're gonna start sweating. This one looks the best, but I need to investigate a bit further. There's more chilli in there, beware. Are you okay?
I'll be fine.
This is like those times when you used to sit and sweat and prove to everyone that you could eat the hottest.
This is so spicy. Yeah, it's not my favourite. I
don't know what you're getting that I'm not getting. Well, I've had some chilli, but... Oh my god. Can you pick the rest of the chilies out? Because I'm concerned about your well-being.
Yeah, I am going to. Yeah. I don't know. I think the peanut is too much.
It doesn't even taste of peanut that much.
No, it doesn't. But the texture is just so...
Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed with this one, to be fair. I
Yeah,
can't remember
me
who
too.
the recipe was by, but...
And the sauce is just a failure. I don't know. This is just... Yeah, not my favourite.
To be honest, I think... I always had a thing, not against summer rolls, but I always just preferred spring rolls because they're warm and fried and crunchy. And I always felt like summer rolls were a bit too veggie for me. This has proved to me that they can be really nice and I can like them. But if I were to make them again, I don't think I'd follow any of the recipes. I think I'd just wing my own and do like... Oh my god.
I would make that again.
The crab one? Would you make the Jamie one?
Yeah, if I couldn't get crab. And I had veg.
Peanut
I like
sauce?
it. Yeah, I would actually. Even though I thought I wouldn't like it.
Yeah, I'd make that for a range of different things. But unlike sushi, actually really easy to... I mean, you're not really making anything, are you? You're just chopping up veg and rolling it up.
Yeah, the only thing you're making is the sauce.
Exactly.
Which is
you
not
could
even
just buy
cooking.
that from a shop, so...
Yeah.
Yeah, like I'm happy with these. They feel light, they feel fresh, they feel spicy.
Really spicy. I feel like you can just eat loads.
And
Because
it's just,
veg.
yeah, exactly, salad in a bit of paper. So
Melted
yeah, this
paper.
is, but that was the most exciting bit, watching. I was so confused when I got it out the packet and it just looked like a sheet of plastic.
I had patterns on it as well.
Yeah, I thought they were like sheets that were keeping the actual rice paper like
Separate.
yeah, and stopping them from breaking. So that was quite cool. But yeah, they're super, super, super easy to make. They're healthy. I feel like this would be a good one to make with kids.
Yeah.
Because it's healthy, but it's like exciting, and you won't realise that it's healthy, and you literally can't go wrong. In terms of flavours, like, you can mix and match and...
Yeah, exactly. They might have trouble rolling it.
Yeah, but as we've discovered, practice makes nearly perfect. So, yeah, successful week, I think.
Yeah. I mean, we didn't do much.
No, exactly. But we hope you found this semi-informative. The rice paper wrappers we bought were from Amazon. They were only £4.
Super cheap.
Yeah, I can't remember how many it was for, but we've got loads left. So, definitely worth looking on Amazon.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we will be back next week with more fun in the kitchen.
We hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.